it left those little foot pads there. And the beans were stacked still on top of the foot pads. Can you imagine how fast it must have hit that thing to rip those foot pads loose so completely without scattering the beans all over? They were all still just right where they were. Isn't that amazing? Just think about that. How could you do that, right? I mean, at some speed, I'm sure you could pull it hard enough that they would rip loose and beans would spray all over, but it ripped them loose in their entirety, leaving them behind. I thought that was an amazing thing. Okay, so now basically we've got 5 minutes to do this other calculation here. So let's do it, huh? So show your steps in here. I'll get answers so you can check your answers against the answers I get. Tell me if you don't get what I get and you think that I'm wrong. So when you do it again, you're going to do exactly the same calculations, only this number is going to be different, that number will be different, and of course that'll be different. This number will be different. This will be the same though, right? These of course will be different. In this term, these guys are the same, but these terms here will all have to be different. All right? I've circled or underlined all the things that will be different in the second calculation. Huh?
Can we debrief them?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. Sorry we couldn't get to all of you.
This is kind of long.
Yeah. But for those of you who are wondering what it's about, you're doing a study on memory, and so yeah, and specifically mnemonics, which is like how you remember things, how you get them into your long-term memory, and yeah. So one group of you, we took and we told you a certain method to remembering, your like lists or whatever, and the other group we let them go free. And we can come back and tell you the results, but from what I have, it ended up to our hypothesis. The people who told to use the chain method to like make a story of their list remembered a lot better than the people who used the go free. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. Get out a sheet of paper because people are doing this and turning it in. Yeah, you've been working on this? You just came back in, didn't you? Yeah. So this is what we did. Yeah, get Connor will explain it to you. Do you guys get about 14.76 for that? Okay. Yeah, if you got it done, that's great. You want to show both velocities and both uncertainties, how you got them? And there you go. I'll put him over there in 4B if you would. Here, just a sec. Oh, wait.